Hi guys, welcome to my live video. This is Sheila Bajaj. It's gonna look a little weird on Instagram because I feel like I'm too far. Hold on, I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change it. Sorry guys, I should have done all this. Okay, cool. Looks closer than it would normally. Hi guys, welcome to my live video. This is Sheila Bajaj and I'm a numerologist, and welcome to my live video. We're gonna do tarot today after a very long time. I know it takes a lot of energy to do tarot, but I'm not gonna do many readings today. I'm not gonna do a crazy number of readings. I'm gonna do very few. So what do you do to get your reading done on this live video? You share this on all your groups, and if you get a share. What is happening? Someone says hi and says I'm first today. Pallavi says I'm first today. Okay, there's some kind of competition going on that I'm not aware of. क्या हो रहा है? मतलब मेरे ग्रुप में कुछ हो रहा है. Okay. Hi Abhishek. Abhishek says I want to learn Reiki. Abhishek, we will post a Reiki group link, a Telegram link. I am not a WhatsApp person. So we will post a Reiki link. The first thing that I ever started with in my career, in my life, which was not even a career then, it was just my first love or my hobby or whatever you want to call it, was Reiki. So, मेरा phone ऐसे ना टेढ़ा हो रहा है. Cool. I'm trying to make both my phones like so pass me that Instagrammers can't say please look at the Instagram, because it should look like I'm looking at both, कि आपको पता ना चले कि मैं कहाँ देख रही हूँ. और मैं सोच रही हूँ ऐसे ना दो phones के बीच में ऐसे देखूँ. Okay, so how does it go? You share this on all your groups, and if I'm drawn to your question and you're a sharer, I'm likely to take your question. Okay, so what kind of questions don't get taken? Okay, let's first quickly share this on all your groups. Share this on your wall. Share this everywhere. If you're not a sharer, then if you're not a sharer, I ignore you. If you're a sharer, I look at you. And if I'm drawn to your question, I take your question. Now, if I'm drawn to your question, I'll take your question. And what kind of a question am I drawn to? Are questions that are very specific. Because this is a one question reading, if you say, tell me about my life or about my career, then I really don't feel like that punch of that energy to answer your question. See, I have someone say, tell me about my married life. You know best about your married life. Like, no one knows better about your married life other than you. So, why would I tell you about your married life? Hai na? So, if you have a specific question about your married life, then you can ask. Alright? So, guys, quickly share this on all your groups. If you're a sharer, then I'm likely to take your question. And we had someone here from the previous live video who generously shared it, even though there was no carrot or there was no reward at the end of it ki free reading milega. So whenever we notice on our live stream, we come to know of people who actually share this, then we end up doing a free reading for you. So I think Janki knows the person who did that, the bunch of sharing. Janki, do you remember? And if you do, please tell me the person's name. If they're live right now, then I would do a reading for them. So guys, even if you think we don't notice, I have a team of people who review all of the shares and end up telling me, you know what, this person really shared a lot. So the highest sharer ends up getting a reading in the next time. Alright? So how do you become a top fan? How do you become a sharer? You got to like the page. Make sure you go back and like the page. If you haven't liked the page, Facebook doesn't even recognize you. So go back and like my page. Sheila Bajaj M is what it's called. Or just type Sheila M Bajaj and you'll find my page. Alright? Okay, so... And Instagrammers, you can share too. You can share this live video. There's that little arrow. You can share it to all your friends individually. You can share it, I think, on your story as well. So, make people watch me even if they don't want to. It's fine. Cool. So I'm going to do 3 readings, but I'm also going to address some relationship questions today. Yesterday we had a brilliant relationship session, and I had so many people asking me some amazing questions about relationships, about marriages, and about infidelity, cheating on their relationship, their partners cheating. So many people had such lovely, interesting, yummy questions. So I'm also going to answer those, and I'm going to take very few tarot card readings, all right? And for people who really have intense issues, a one question reading doesn't make any sense. So you should contact our office and get a detailed reading with Ekta, Janki or Ria, all right? Okay. I have my cards here, but I'm going to first address some relationship questions. Does anyone have any relationship questions before we start? I'm addressing a few relationship questions before we start, because I just want more people to come in on the live video. I'm waiting for people to share. I'm waiting for us to be like 1,000+ people. So does anyone have any relationship questions? Are you going through something in your relationship that you want guidance on? We did some really amazing stuff yesterday. Like we spoke about, there were so many questions I couldn't take yesterday. So I'm going to take them today. Oh, Ekta's online. Hi, Ekta. Janki's also online. I don't know if Ria's here. I keep my tarot card readers awake, you know. See, Ekta's awake. Janki's awake. Ria's probably sleeping. She's fine. She can sleep. I have a bunch of tarot card readers who are actually in training right now and doing their internship. And, you know, so I'm going to have a whole bunch of more names like junior tarot card readers. So, okay. Yes, you have a relationship question. Please go ahead and ask. Ask, guys. Ask your question. Mother-in-law problem. Somebody doesn't accept you. Something going on. I don't know if anybody watched the video yesterday. Okay, I'm not asking about love or arranged. Will you have? Yes, share. Share this on all your groups. I don't seem to be getting any relationship questions. Seems like everyone is able to tackle and deal with relationship questions, relationship issues suddenly. From yesterday to today, it seems like the world turned around and everyone's able to like manage their relationships. Okay. I'm still waiting for some sharers to share. Guys, there are a bunch of you asking me questions. I'm really sorry you're not a sharer. I'm ignoring you. Please share this on 10 or more groups, and I'm likely to take your question if I'm drawn to it. Okay. Akira has a question and says, how do you let go of that painful past? Akira, the first thing that I'm going to say is that, you know, a lot of times you go through a relationship and the other person's sort of done, but you're not done. You know, the other person's found their closure and you haven't found your closure. And a lot of times the pain persists because you haven't taken the call to end the relationship. I'm pretty sure that he ended the relationship, or sort of like it was his decision. Like it sort of had to end, but finally he had, you know, the say. That always happens to people when it's not their choice. You're left hanging and you're left in a lot of pain. In the same scenario, if this guy came back to you and if you decided one fine day that you were really fed up and you ended the relationship, you wouldn't be so upset. You wouldn't be in so much pain. Oh my God, there's so many messages here. I was going to say relationships. So many messages here on Insta and I haven't even looked at it. Okay, so yeah, so if the reason is because it's like a power thing, you know, people end up feeling a mess. People end up feeling broken because the power was taken away from them. You know, it was not your call. And that's the reason you're feeling so miserable. So what do you do to get rid of the painful past? The first thing is get Bach flower therapy done. All right. There are certain essences in Bach flower therapy that make you break the link with those memories. One of the other remedies very good is if you're brooding in the past. All right. And I myself use Bach flower therapy whenever I'm going through an emotional tizzy time. I do go through emotional tizzy time. Sheila M. Bajaj does go through emotional tizzies. I am not a robot. Do I look like a robot? No. So even though I'm this really optimistic person, I do go through my own emotional challenges. But it's just that I have this gear, you know, guys. I have a Sheila gear and then I have an SMB gear. It's not a mask, it's just a gear. Like you just change modes. It's like how do you go into like cruise control in your car? Your car just goes automatically, right? So my SMB mode is like my work mode. Usually I'm able to shove everything under the carpet so beautifully that nobody will know that I'm going through a crazy tizzy. But some people just feel it, you know, people who are really close to me emotionally, they catch it like that. I can't fool them. Like Ekta and Janki can just catch me like that. They just like, they'll hear my voice and they'll know, kuch gadbad hai. So, let's see the next question. I'm taking questions from sharers. So if you're not a sharer, quickly share this on all your groups. Make sure you like the page. If you haven't done the above, you don't become a sharer. So go back to the page, Sheila M. Bajaj, and make sure you like it, alright? Okay. People are asking me prediction and tarot related question. But I'm asking you if you have any relationship related issue. And that's what I'm coaching you with today. Okay, how do you get proper closure? Because sometimes, because sometimes so you don't want to talk to the person at all, yet you need to close the chapter. Okay, Pranjal, sometimes you need to close the chapter, but you also don't want to talk to the person. But unfortunately, to find closure and to complete that transaction and to energetically cut off with that person, you need to face that person or do a WhatsApp closure. Closure is extremely important for both people to move on. If you haven't got closure in a relationship, both people, their energy gets drained. And sometimes, you know, if there's just two people stuck, if one of them is just stuck in some time-space dimension, it's also not going to allow the other lover to move on. Move on, I'm not talking about relationship-wise. They may like, you know, emotionally move on somewhere else, but you kind of get stuck in some zone, you know, where you are not able to go to the next level. It's almost like one little, you know, one cord that kind of, Shian is here and he shaved. Oh my god, he looks so different. Okay, I'm gonna post a picture with before and after. He was looking so weird because he grew his beard. I can't believe I have a kid who has moochi and dadi, you know. But yeah, he looks all clean shaven today. That's so nice. I love clean shaven. So it's fine, Shian. So you need closure because you can get stuck in a certain zone and not be able to move on. So finish a WhatsApp conversation. I don't know, call the guy out for coffee, close it, and then, you know, get a chakra healing because you'll get your cords cut, you'll get a lot of stuff removed. There are lots and lots of energies that are kind of, you know, removed from your system, which are normally otherwise there. There's a lot of karmic cords as well that kind of need to get cut and released. So I'm going to suggest that, you know, you confront it and get closure. Very important, Pranjal. Okay. Ekta's like, catch you. Ekta knows. Okay, Rashmi says, I really want to be your assistant, ma'am. You are awesome. Rashmi, you want to think 100 times before asking me that question? The first thing that you want to do is you want to call up Vijay Lakshmi and ask her what craziness she has to go through. The kind of questions she goes through, the way she gets harrowed from people. It's not easy being my assistant. However, yes, I am looking for more people to join my center as like admin. So if anyone is interested to join, like it's like a work from home or calling, whatever, taking appointments kind of a role, please, you know, DM us on this page. We'll be happy to review your CV and see if you fit in. But you need a lot of patience, okay? People call up with weird stuff, trust me, like really batshit crazy stuff. You know, my mom gets scandalized. My mom also assists in my work. She gets scandalized with the kind of questions we get. She's just, and there was a time when I didn't have an assistant and she used to take my calls, okay? And she used to come because I get a lot of addict calls. I get people who are addicted to something. I get people who are schizophrenic. I get people with mental illnesses. I get all kinds of people. I get people who have entities in their body. I get people who are afflicted with black magic. So I deal with everything and I'm not scared of entities. Like my staff, When I'm doing a case where I'm removing entities, there was this one time where all my staff went running into another room and they were all doing that in one corner, and they were like super scared because the client was laughing and crying like periodically, and it was crazy. It was so crazy. I wasn't scared. I was just doing my job, and all the people in the office were really scared. At that point of time, I didn't have the center that we have now. I used to work from our clinic, which is a spine clinic. Anup says, why you give only sharers question and answers? Darling, because that's the deal here. I make sure that people are sharers. If you're a sharer, then I look at your question. I make you share this on different groups, and that's what I do. Diksha, are you doing analysis today? Yes, darling, I probably will do analysis today. I have one question. I just want to know if my boyfriend will come back. No, I'm not doing tarot yet, okay? I'm going to do tarot in a bit. And guys, there are tons of people here who are sending me messages. If you're not a sharer, I'm not even looking at your question. Parboni says, does doing business together with your spouse affect relationships? I face a lot of trouble in this. How to handle that? Okay, I have people whom I know, maybe friends, maybe, and also I work with my husband a whole lot. Like, we kind of merge in a lot of our businesses. Okay, that happens. Okay, when you work with your spouse, you're bound to have a lot of kitch. The first thing that I don't do is I never intentionally get into a business venture with him. So I have a bunch of businesses, and I intentionally never get into a business with him because my way of functioning and his is completely different. All right, he comes from a very different way of functioning, and mine is totally different. And most times my staff want to run away if he's giving them instructions. My staff is so clear that they will not work with him. So we both just have very different styles. No wrongness there, but his style is just very different. So I would suggest, if you can keep your zones separate, if you have different working styles, but if you complement each other, it's great. So in some ways we really do complement each other. So we take a lot of suggestions from each other, but then you kind of separate your business so that there's no kind of clash. See, water is great, oil is great. Now this is something that I need to tell you guys, okay? Water is great on its own, oil is great, okay? But they don't mix. So sometimes two working styles could be completely different, and there's a lot to learn from the other working style. I take a lot of advice. Like, Janki would know, she practically lives with me. She knows how much of advice and stuff that I ask Vaishak for with regard to all my businesses, but I don't let him kind of come into a certain zone. So Parboni, it's really important to have like your lines and demarcate yourself and say, okay, I'm gonna ask you this, but yahan tak theek hai, fir uske baad theek nahi hai. So learn how to create your boundaries. Boundaries are very important. Okay, scrolling right down because I'm too slow. Guys, any question, if you're grappling with something with your relationships, your kids, anything. Okay. I'm trying to see. Okay. So I'm still waiting for some questions. Okay, I'm waiting for some more questions, guys. Bad relationship with all your relatives. Don't know why. So this is Bangalore, my plate story. Asks me this question. So you got to get your numerology checked. I've seen a lot of people who have issues with their relationships because of numerology. I find that people who are ruled by number 4, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 2, all these numbers are crazy when it comes to relationships. Almost all your relationships will just fall apart, or they'll have kitch. Sometimes you're none of these numbers, and this kitch could be coming from your name. So you've got to identify, is Rahu, Ketu, whatever, are they causing havoc in your name or in your date of birth, or is there a phase you're going through? Sometimes you could be going through a phase of Rahu, you could be going through a phase of Saturn, you could be going through a phase of something. Usually that's not covered in a name correction, the phase thing. If you're running through a phase, you'll need to wear a stone for that particular phase. And that's something that we do separately, all right? Is we give you a numerological remedy of a stone if you're going through a bad phase. For example, if you're going through a Rahu phase in your life, then your jobs will just, you'll have trouble at your job. Sometimes you will be jobless. Sometimes you'll have kitch with your job. Sometimes you just won't get the credit that you're supposed to get. You won't get promotion. You won't get an opportunity. सब मतलब ऐसे constipated रहेगा. सब कुछ जैसे एक हफ्ते से potty नहीं किया है. So when Rahu phase is running, you also won't have any peace of mind. Your life just goes through that roller coaster ride, okay? So when you're going through a Rahu phase, you need to do the remedy for that. And for that, you need to call our office and say, I want a remedy for, or first of all, you need to know whether you're going through that phase or not. So you can ask for that. Am I going through that phase? Yes or no? All right? Okay. And people who go through Rahu, Ketu, Shani, Mars and Moon, they do end up having relationship issues. Planets play such a huge important role in our life, guys. It is unbelievable. It's like, I didn't know what planetary energy was like because I ended my Rahu period in 2016 and I won my first award after that. My first ever award after that. So it is quite strange, like we really don't realize. For the longest time, I went through so much of mental anguish. I also got success, but maybe I would have been at another level had I not been going through that Rahu period. So it's very important to kind of get to know what planetary energies that you're going against and, to take adequate remedy for that. Okay. Yes, Janki is going through Rahu phase, so she says. Actually, incidentally, I think, okay, I'm not going to say it. Sorry. I'm not going to say it. Now, I thought of something, I realized something, but I realized that it's probably confidential. I'm not going to say it. It's about someone else. All the people are thinking, no, you have to say it, you have to say it, you have to say it. I'm not saying it. I will not tell you what I was thinking. Yes, guys, if you want to know about your numerology, please call the office. All the people who are asking, please call the office. People are asking about their children. Yes, it's very important. Okay, many years back, I didn't have the view that we should do numerology for children क्योंकि वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं काम पे, क्यों करें numerology उनके लिए, वो काम पे थोड़ी जा रहे हैं. So I used to have this view that बच्चों के लिए मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है अभी. And then I did, numerology for a bunch of kids. This is many years back. I did numerology for a bunch of kids and they suddenly radically improved, And for some reason, I'd also ignored my own children's numerology, actually Shian's numerology for many years. And I said, he's got a nice date of birth. Yeah, I don't need to mess with his name. And then I realized that, yeah, his name had some gadbad in it, but there was really no scope of changing it. And when I realized that clients' kids, because clients were just insistent, ki, no, I want my kid's name correction done. I frankly just found some jugad and then we came up with a name correction for Shian, whereas we dropped an alphabet for him instead of adding one. For so many years, I kept thinking, Arya, I have to add an alphabet. And then his energy just changed. It was 360-degree turn. And he got it even done in his official documents. Like both my kids' names are in their official documents. Why is it important to do the name correction for a kid at birth? Is because a lot of things that we go through in our life, especially intelligence and brain development, is also connected to planets. So we activate certain planets in your child's name, yummy energies in your child's name, that actually make it conducive for brain development. And my little Zubin is a walking Einstein, I can tell you that much. I don't know if it's just DNA, genes or numerology all together. It must be all of it put together. Okay. Why is Ekta crying? I saw some crying face. I just missed the whole conversation in between when I'm going chapad. Ekta and Janki are having a conversation here. Wow. And I don't even know what's happening. Priyanka Atre says, I feel I'm jinxed in relationships. You have to work extra hard. Join the club, darling. All number 4s have that problem. It's like gadha mazduri in relationships. How should I let me ex leave me? How should I let my ex leave me forever? He's not ready to leave the emotional attachment and move on, and not letting me move too. Is there any way? Tried ignoring, blocking, face-to-face conversation. No idea when he will get out of my life. Darling, you need to know. You need to ask someone. How do you ask him to just stop? Because you need to be a little more assertive. You think if he was done with the relationship, you think he would continue letting you like be around? He'd block you and he'd tell you, like he'd eliminate you from his life completely, like, you know, like pest control. Yeah, pest control. Get pest control done. Maybe he'll be gone. Maybe you should wear that cockroach spray and go and meet him. Oh my god, he'll probably faint. He'll probably faint if you wear cockroach spray and go and meet him. Or he'll get some wheezing or something. Chee, how sick, I'm laughing at my own joke. I'm just visualizing the whole thing. Janki and Ekta, actually Janki, Ekta and Riya, all 3 are going through Rahu period. All my 3 tarot card readers, Rahu is kicking their ass nicely. So, and I just finished mine, you know, I just feel like as if Tarot and Rahu have some connection, some karmic connection together. Okay, so yeah, so all 3 of them are going through Rahu, and whoever that was, I forgot, Fascinating Art, who sent me that message, wear cockroach spray and go meet him. He'll never ever come near you again, okay? Like try it, cockroach spray, or that, you know, machhar wala spray. Or I don't know, like chloroform or something. Just wear something crazy. I'm sure he won't come anywhere. He'll say, pagal aurat hai. See, she's laughing. I'm just visualizing it. Think all that trauma really got to you. God, that is disgusting. Imagine wearing cockroach spray. Okay. Okay, so self-defense technique with cockroach spray. But idea must hai, huh? Guys, admit it. Seriously. I mean, you'll have to go through some kind of pain and suffering with that cockroach spray. But imagine wearing cockroach spray and going on a date, yeah? If you really don't like the guy, carry cockroach spray with you. You know, he'll not come anywhere near you. And then he'll just think you're weird. Like, what kind of weird poof does she wear? Why? Why will it backfire? Shian says it will backfire. So Fascinating Art says, no, seriously, I want him to get out of my life forever. He creates problem. So just block him. Ekta says you need your mango shake. I think I'm high on mango shake already. Okay, I've never really laughed on a live video. Okay, I'm taking my first tarot question for the day. Okay, all time pass बहुत ज़्यादा कर दिया. Have to with few cousins. They're so painful. This cockroach spray. Yeah, try it. Please tell me, guys, what happened. Like maybe, you know, somebody comes and stays in your house and you want them to go away. The kapda just go and spray cockroach. They will be so disgusted. Oh my god. Somebody's calling me Hamara Bajaj. Yeah, that was my nickname in school. Hamara Bajaj. See, my hair is again doing this curl thing today. Like, how many people are so self-obsessed with their hair? So crazy. Okay, so someone says they need a wife. I have someone who sent a message here who says he needs a wife. Am I the only person who's finding that really funny? Okay. Okay, now I'm serious, okay? No more laughing, guys. No more laughing. No more laughing. Okay, the next question I'm going to take is a tarot question. Quickly share this on all your groups. Let's have like over 1,000 people on this live stream. And let's take the next person for tarot. Send me a specific question, guys. If you send me a specific question, then it's really yummy for me to read your cards because it's a one question reading. All right? And Sridevi Jain, you're not a sharer. Sorry, darling. She says, love your laughter, very contagious. No, Shian's laughter is really contagious. He has a very infectious laugh. Some people have a really infectious laugh, no? Like when they're laughing, you don't know actually, you don't feel like laughing, you're just laughing because they're laughing. Like you're not laughing at their content, but you're laughing just because, you know. Me? What? I don't have a contagious laugh. I do? Oh, that laugh. Oh, there's that funny laugh. Okay, I have some different types of laugh. And even Shian has some different types of laugh. Swati Kapoor, I'm a number 2 and 9 and I have a lot of issues with all my relationships. What planet am I being ruled by now and what should I do? Okay, Swati, so I'm going to suggest, see, that deeper analysis is only done. Oh my god, the power went off. Yeah, it's okay. I think it's just super dark. It's paused.
Yeah, it's back on.
Gumnaam hai koi. Okay, we're back. Switch this off when it comes. Otherwise, switch off the main. Hi guys, sorry. Power outage. We are in India. Power outage. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna continue replying to Swati about her question. What planet am I ruled by now? When you get your numerology name correction, then you get that information. It's a very, very detailed analysis which we calculate and tell you. We also write that remedy as the first remedy if you need it on your numerology report, which is handwritten by me. Alright, Swati, so if you've ever got a name correction done, you'd get that information right there. Okay. Suddenly it's so quiet. No?
Power's back.
The power's back. Drishti says, I love your energy. I love my energy too, darling. Sonali says, where did you vanish? It says poor network. It's a recording now. It's not live. It says poor connection. Oh my god. That is disastrous. Disastrous.
We have to wait for the Wi-Fi to
Yeah.
connect again.
It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I'm just talking to myself.
Yes, back.
Mobile torch.
You're back.
Am I there?
Yeah.
Are you there? Is everyone there? Oh, I have people waiting. How cool. You guys are still there. Okay, we had some stupid power outage. Increase the fan. It's again Garmi today. Okay, so we're gonna do, and we've. You bring smiles on so many of our faces. May God bless you. Thank you so much, Sridevi. Back again. Yes, guys, I'm back. Share this on all your groups so that we have more people. And okay, I'm gonna do readings now. The next person that I'm taking is power outage Reena. Sorry guys. रुकावट के लिए खेद है. यहाँ पे इतना सन्नाटा है ना. Like suddenly it's all quiet. Then you realize that the air conditioning makes so much sound. But I guess, I'm old school, like when you have a very noisy AC and that makes you sleep, like that boo sound of the AC actually makes you sleep. I had a fan like that when I was growing up as a kid. Like we had fans that were given by my grandfather and that fan made that wow sound. And it actually I think it kind of made you go to sleep like nashe mein. And then we would sleep because of that. Probably. Yeah, I actually missed that fan, When I moved into another apartment, I missed having a noisy fan. क्या हिंदी है आपकी? हाँ, मेरी हिंदी सर्वश्रेष्ठ हिंदी है. Okay, where's the next question? Guys, who have a question, quickly send your question. You're not losing hope. Anu, send me your question. You're not losing hope. Guys, don't lose hope. Send me your specific question. I have to keep doing chapar till I find a really good question. Thank you. I'm so happy that you find me entertaining. Please increase the fan. No, it's okay.
The power is back.
Okay. I can't take the chance, Shian. Okay, I'm gonna take the next person is Akira, who says, when will my relationship with my father improve? Naman Sethi says that I have a great sense of humor and I should try it on TV. Darling, I've been on television, just that I don't have so much freedom on television. पता है? You know, वहाँ पे बहुत serious बनना पड़ता है. You don't have like, this is like my own TV channel. How cool. Your relationship with your father has a lot to do with disappointments. Like each person has their point of view of what they think is right and what is okay and not okay. And you know, it's gonna take a little bit of time and it will improve. I can promise you. Probably around the end of the year, you're gonna find that things start to get better. Around September, you should start seeing things change. But I'm seeing that there's some unfulfilled expectation that you need to sort of talk about. There's uncommunicated stuff actually. So once you finish communicating those things, I think it'll get better. Okay, next person that I'm taking, next question. Quickly guys, share this on all your groups so that you're a sharer. Mandeep Kaur, you're not a sharer. Muzrat Naz, you're not a sharer, darling. Amuthan, Lakshmi, Narasimhan, you're not a sharer. When will I find my soulmate? Shreya, you're not a sharer. Have you time to answer or any readings? Ritu, please send me your question. Guys, you're saying please take one reading, but you're not sending me your question. Quickly send me your specific questions. The next person. Okay, cool. I have a question here. Himanshi Manisha Gupta says, does my ex-boyfriend love me as of now? I feel he does, but is scared to commit because of his wife. Because of his wife? He's married. I feel he does, but is scared to commit because of his wife. Please advise. Himanshi, being in a relationship or continuing to be in a relationship with a married man, no judgments here, is just a lot of pain for you because he's probably never going to leave his wife. And you know, I would think that instead of discussing this on Facebook, I'm gonna suggest that you get a reading from Ekta, Janki or Riya. Alright? And you know, there's a lot more intensity when it comes to getting a reading for something like that. And sometimes you aren't willing to let go of the person because there's just a lot of toxic cords with them. Get a chakra healing done and get the toxic cords removed. Okay? You need to move on. It seems like there are people who are coming forth in your life, but you're not able to move on because you're still stuck there in the past. Again, I'm going to ask you to please get a reading done with Ekta, Janki or Riya. Okay, the next question, I scroll right to the bottom. Right to the bottom. Okay, Yogita Sharma has a nice question. She has a question, but not a nice question. Please tell me about my career. What do I tell you about your career, darling? Ask me a specific question. Guys, you need to learn how to ask a specific question. Okay, I'm going to look at Instagram. Will I do well in stock trading? See, that's the kind of question I want. Ritu Thakur. Thakkar or Thakkar, I don't know. People get offended. Janki gets very offended when you pronounce it wrong. So Ritu, Thakkar, whatever you are a number 7. Please get a name correction to begin with. You know, whatever remedy you do, uske pehle is just a waste of time and money because if you haven't got your name correction, that number 7 will keep troubling you. Will you do well in stock trading? I'm answering that for Access Accounting, okay? No, darling. You'll make a lot of money and then again you'll take 3 steps back and you lose a ton of money again. You keep coming back to the same, back to square one, and it's not really lucky for you. I don't even know your date of birth, but I can see your cards and it doesn't show me. It's great. Sorry, Access Accounting. That was a question for someone on Instagram. But But Himanshi, I'm going to suggest you get a full reading done, because you know what? There are lots of things I can't say on this live stream. Our job as a tarot card reader is not to be judgmental, but on a platform like this, the moment I say something, it could go the other way. People, this whole world is filled with such amazing people who are waiting to judge what you say and to see what are your ethics and whatever. As a tarot card reader, that's not my job. So guys, please ask specific questions here, and Himanshi, I'm going to suggest a reading with Ekta, Janki or Riya. Alright? Okay, the next person that I'm going to take is... And a lot of times people have intense questions. Like they have some really, really intense stuff to ask. If you have, you know, heavy stuff to ask, it's like if you need surgery, please go for surgery. And please go to a proper doctor. Don't try to go to the medical store and say, भैया सर दर्द के लिए कुछ दो ना, भैया गले में दर्द हो रहा है कुछ दो ना. So if you're having like an intense issue, please go to the doctor. Please don't go to the medical shop and ask him for like jugaad wala dawai. You know, like sometimes we think that we can just deal with some stuff, and you lose a lot of energy, time, and you know, money or heartache because you haven't gotten proper help. So do not ask. If you have like, if you really need a reading, if you really need guidance, please get a proper reading from Ekta, Janki or Riya. Look at the number of distractions in this space. I have so many messages here on Facebook, Instagram, but I'm still connecting with your energy. Just one chutku picture here and your name, and I'm connecting with your energy. But when you get a reading with them, they are on a call with you. They first connect with your energy, pull out your cards like an entire spread just for you. Alright? Imagine how personalized that is. And we don't need to have the client in person, face to face, to get a reading done. You could be sitting in another planet. You could be sitting on the moon, darling, and we can still do your reading, alright? Because I do readings on Facebook Lives, I do reading on radio, I do readings on television shows. So, it all works. I have a whole bunch of people who have joined in. Welcome, guys. But you are not sharers, so you don't get my attention. Share this on all your groups and make sure you like the page, and then I'm likely to take your question. अरे बाप रे, इसका बैटरी मैं भूल गई ये डालना. चार्जो रुको. Is it working? Do you think it is?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The next question that I'm taking is Himanshi says, yes, I'll get a complete reading done. Thank you, took my question. Yes, I'm here to take your question. Okay, I'm waiting for the next question here on Facebook. And I'm going to take a question specifically from sharers. If you're not a sharer, I'm not looking at your question. Kanika, health of your son. Sorry, you're not a sharer. Khatija, Swati, I love you guys, but you're not sharers. Monica Hora, please send me your question. Guys, if you just send me a question like fascinating art, sorry darling, I'm not addressing your question again, but please get a reading done from Ekta, Janki or Riya. Amrita Mitru, yes, I'm going to take your question. Yes, Amrita, because I did notice that yesterday also you shared it on a lot of groups. So I'm going to take your question specifically. People who share more than other people end up getting a reading. For sure, we notice you. And if my team notices a specific person who's really shared our videos a lot, like even previous videos, if you're like a top sharer, Facebook doesn't see that, we see that, then you'll definitely get. Amrita Mitru, please send me your question. I'm waiting to do your reading. मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ आपका reading करने के लिए. Quickly send me your question, darling. Amrita Mitru. I'm waiting for your question. Amrita is on Facebook. Somebody is sending a message from my name. I think it's Janki. I'm pretty sure it's her. It looks like Sheila sent this reply to Kunal. How crazy is that? Karthik calling Karthik. कभी-कभी मुझे ऐसे लगता है Karthik calling Karthik. You know, like the other day I was in this weird mood, and then I get to see this video of mine. I'm being sent this video of mine which has me talking about something low and something whatever. And I was like, oh, I just something I needed to hear. Then I felt like Karthik calling Karthik. Mujhe aise laga, you know, I felt like that. Guys, do you have any parenting related questions? Parenting related questions. Does anyone have an issue with their kid? Like someone wants to know how to deal with their teenage kid or their kid. Yes, Janki, I knew it's you. You're the only one who has access to my account. Okay, Amrita Mitru. I'm so tired of waiting for your question, darling. Please jaldi se bhejo. Amrita Mitru. I'm taking your question. My element reading was so crazy. Element readings are always crazy. It's like when people are advised to wear a certain color chaddi. It is so crazy. Because once you start wearing that chaddi, your life changes. Not because the chaddi was lucky, because that color or that element was lucky. Shian knows how to do element readings. He's become a pro at it now. You know, Shian does the element readings. I check it. There's no change. He's so awesome. Shian learns like that. I wish I was like that when I was 16, yeah. I wish I had, you know, the flair for energy like Shian had. Because he's born with it. People who are born with that divine gift are luckier. So if your kids are born with that divine gift, never ever tell them, no, kuch bhi nahi hai, kuch bhi nahi hai. Is that mosquitoes? You always come near me. Okay, I give up on Amrita Mitru. I give up. Does anyone know her question? She just zoned out. Like she just left this live stream, I think. Amrita Mitru. I wanted to do your reading. Okay, I'm still gonna hope that she gives me her question. Okay, Kanika, if you have a specific question about parenting, like, you know, not from tarot, this is not tarot related. If you have something specific connected to parenting, please ask me that question. What will be my daughter's result? Reena Tiwari, let's see what your daughter's result will be. Sometimes I miss the question, guys. Like, I have to keep looking at that. Also, do you guys know, like, I'm borderline dyslexic? Like, मेरा आँख ऐसे टेढ़ा हो जाता है when I'm reading messages. Who was I doing? Somebody, right? For her daughter's result. Reena Tiwari. What's your daughter's name? My God, it seems like she's really slogged like crazy. The result that she's gonna get is gonna be mixed. In some places where she's expecting to get a whole lot of, like, she's doing really well, she may not get the same. But overall, her result will just be all right. It's not going to be phenomenally great. There are going to be shades of disappointment. I'm sorry, but yeah. But I also see that maybe if you're not happy with the results, if there's a way of sending it for reevaluation, you should send it. Because I feel that there's some glitch when it comes to correction or something like that. Okay, so the next person that... Mandeep Kaur says, I share your videos but never get noticed. Darling, you're not even a sharer to begin with. Let's see. I want to deal with some parenting related question. So Mariam says, please explain how to control kids' anger. How do you control your child's anger? Okay, so to begin with, I'm going to give you my view and then I'm going to have Shian give his view. Alright, because Shian is right here. And he's also worked with energy and, you know, he does sessions in my center. He does something called rewiring your brain. And he does sessions in my center. A lot of people who are a part of the group know about what Shian does. He has constantly been learning this stuff with me from when he's a little child actually. So I'm going to give my view on kids' anger, and I think a lot of times children have anger because they feel that they are not listened to. Like when a child feels that he is not heard or seen, you know, anger is used as an intensity to get your attention. So I think if you really use the technique of mirroring your child's feelings, like when your child's talking, not stalking, when your child is talking, then you should listen to your child and sort of, you know, repeat some of the words that he's saying while he's talking. So if the child is saying, you know, I feel really, really ignored in school, and say, why exactly do you feel ignored? Use the same words he's using so he feels that he's being heard. All right? And I think your child's anger over a period of time will subside. Also having a conversation with him will help. Shian, do you have a take on this?
Lockdown is a very complicated time.
Okay, 1 second, guys. Come this side. Sit here, and I'm gonna move this essay. Okay. Hi guys, this is Shian.
Hello.
This is Shian. So Shian is also gonna give you some answers on parenting and on about a perspective on children's anger. Shian is my 16-year-old son. So Mariam, I hope this helps. Okay. Go ahead. Don't worry, don't read.
Okay.
It's okay. There's too many questions.
Okay, now when it comes to anger, I think that's what many people are experiencing right now since lockdown has started. There's also like living with the family and, you know, the heat and all that. So there are many things that come up, like also,
Maybe not being able to be with your friends.
yeah, true, that too. And many people are used to being out of the house, and when they're confined inside their house, and everyone's stress is just lingering around, like, you know, there's the whole vibe of stress and, you know, frustration, and it's not
So how do you
just
deal
one
with a
person.
teenager's anger or a kid's anger?
I would say from time to time you should like how we do a family activity, a family Uno session or something like that, like
Uno.
Okay.
Play Uno with your kids.
yeah.
Play Uno. Pranjal says he looks so different. He just shaved and his hair has grown really long. Ekta says, hey Shian. Okay. So play Uno with your kids. That's one suggestion. Second,
Second, see, one thing I'm gonna be honest, even though I'm a teenager, when a teenager gets angry, it's quite unreasonable. So
guys, did you ever expect this? He says it's unreasonable.
oh, someone can't hear. Okay, I said usually when a teenager gets angry, it's mostly unreasonable. Even though I'm a teenager, I'm saying this because it makes sense, obviously. And the best thing to do in that case is to ignore. Yeah, ignore till person cools down, or else if they're taking it too far, just snap. That's the thing about teenage. Can everyone hear me now?
Shian, come closer. Learn a new skill. Okay. So what Shian said was, okay, I'm gonna take this. Okay, I'm gonna take this back to my side. What Shian actually said about teenagers is that when they get angry or when they get upset, he says they're mostly unreasonable. All right. He says even though I'm a teenager, they mostly are unreasonable. So learn to ignore them, give them their time, and let them. Yes, he's a very smart 16-year-old. He can tell parents how to parent their children. He's amazing. All right. So yeah, we should have a session. Probably he's very honest. He's very, very honest. Yes, super mature for his age. Yes. And Shian says that even though children may,
Can't hear you.
can everybody not hear me, guys? Can't you hear me? Okay, I'm gonna try and increase the volume. Makes him look like Ranbir Kapoor. Okay, wait, something's up here. Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? अरे ये flip हो गया. ये Instagram का flip हो गया. Oh, damn. Okay.
Again.
No, it's fine. Oh, it's gone. Sorry guys, we're having technical issues here. We just happily flipped the camera of Instagram. Okay. So yeah, so we're gonna have one session only with Shian, and it will be a special parenting episode on. He's very matured with his thoughts, yes, and he's super honest. Q&A with Shian and Sheila, with SMB and SZB. So that's what his initials are. Shian Zach Bajaj. Okay, so I'm taking the next question now. Next tarot related question. Naman Sethi says, ma'am, can we come to the point? Darling, everything is the point here. This whole conversation is the point. So ask me your questions, and if I'm drawn to your question, if your question is making sense at the right time when I look at my comments, then I'm likely to take your question. Vidisha says, can relate to him so well, have a 16-year-old too. Suggestion for you to keep purpose clear. I don't have a purpose, darling. Live videos are about you and me and the whole bunch of people watching. So there's no purpose here. It's about changing your life, and there's a lot of stuff that we talk in between which is related to everyone. So the next person I'm taking is Amrita Mitru. There you go. Amrita Mitru, send me your question. Amrita Mitru. He is small but smart. Shian's reading all those comments. Okay. Priyanka Atre, I'm going to take your question. Will your boyfriend come back into your life? Please take my question. Darling Amrita, I can't scroll back. Please send me your question again. Meanwhile, I'm going to do a reading for this girl. What's her name? Priyanka Atre.
I'll watch out for Amrita.
Yeah, please watch out for her question. Shian's helping me look at the questions here. No, darling, he's not going to come back. Priyanka Atre. Your cards say he's not coming back. I think it's better you let go. Alright? That was a very direct card. Very, very direct card. He's not coming back. And I don't know, I get a feeling he's already moved on. It feels like he's already moved on. Okay, the next question is for Amrita Mitru. Can you please resend your question? How to control a 10-year-old when he lies and doesn't listen sometimes?
Your method's the best.
What?
Chili powder.
She, not on live video. Okay, I did something really nasty and I did it for a while. No, I'm not saying it on live stream. But you know, I use NLP techniques to make a child not do something. Alright, so
There's always
yeah.
reverse psychology.
Okay. Amrita Mitru. Amrita Mitru. कहाँ चली गई?
No, this person's a marketing.
Leave it. People do all kinds of things on this live video. Life's purpose is in its purposelessness. How true is it in your life? Okay, that's a very heavy question for a live video. Sheila, when my wife is going to come back, he is stuck. Your wife?
Hey, you disappeared.
When my wife is going to come back, he is stuck in lockdown. Okay?
Yeah.
समझ नहीं आ रहा? Somebody was having an affair with their mother-in-law and their mother-in-law was their boyfriend, and now the wife is a he who's stuck in lockdown. Okay, maybe हो सकता है boss. आजकल सब हो सकता है. Okay. Amrita Mitru, read below what you just read. कहाँ है यार? उसका क्वेश्चन कहाँ है? She's just not sending me her question. Okay. Kinshuk Bala. What is your question, darling? You know, guys people are just sending me like And she sent the question. Okay, Amrita Mitru, you had too many chances. Sorry, darling. I waited for you. That's what we do, right, in life. We wait for people and then they don't show up when they're supposed to show up. And I think that's a lot to do with entitlement. Okay, I'm going to do the next question for someone here and I need to get on with this. Okay, someone please send me a specific question. The moment I get a specific question, I'm not scrolling back. Resend your question if you have to. The next person I get a specific question from, I'm taking. I'm still not getting specific questions. I think there's a time delay between the messages and coronavirus is gonna take a long time. Amrita Mitru says yes, but she doesn't send me her question again. Okay, we've been trying to buy, like this question. We've been trying to buy a house, but for some reason, we are not able to buy one yet. Can you do a reading for me? Sneha Arvind Nayak. It is your lucky day. It is your lucky day. It is your lucky day. Sneha Arvind Nayak. Okay, I'm doing a reading for Sneha Arvind Nayak. Sheila, why are you saying all this when I've sent you so many times? Darling, because I can't see your question. Can you resend it again? Seriously, I can't see your question. Shian is right here. He's proof. You are going to buy a house. It seems like in the next 1 year you will buy a house. It seems like a slow transition and it feels like there are some people who don't want you to buy a house. Is there someone controlling in your family who doesn't want you to buy that house? But I see September, October, November is that time when you should be buying that house. And it's a very good time. Can anyone see Amrita Mitru's question? And please resend it to me, just because sometimes when I go through the messages, for some reason, Facebook hides certain messages, like just automatically. I don't know what it is. Maybe someone reports it or something like that. Can someone please resend me Amrita Mitru's question? For some reason, maybe it's not coming through. I'm not able to see it. The next, see Pallavi says the same thing. Even I'm not able to find your question. None of us are able to see it for some reason. Maybe Facebook's blocking it or something. But just keep copy pasting it, Amrita. Just paste it like 2,000 times. Yogita, I must have sent the question 75 times by now. Oh my god. I've not seen Yogita's question as well. She never sent. See, Ruchi is saying she never sent it. Darling, maybe there's something with Facebook, because some questions just get hidden. Some weird thing. And then, we have to go and like unhide the message. I don't know why that happens. Shubhradeep Das, when will I get a perfect one? Okay, I'm going to say that get your numerology checked, guys. If something's not working in your life, get your numerology checked. A lot of times the demon lurking in the dark is your numbers. We don't realize the importance of numbers, but your birth number, your life path number, your name, all of that, plays a very important role. So if relationships are not working for you, if there's a repeat pattern in your life, remember this, if there's a repeat pattern in your life, you're going to have to do your numerology name change. Shweta says, I've sent my question about 50 times. Neither have I seen your question, Shweta. And someone says here, her success in strategic business. Okay, I don't know what that means, darling.
I think that's this one's question.
Yeah, but nobody's question I'm able to see. I'm not sure what this is.
Go down.
Yeah. Jayashri, you're not a sharer, darling. Sorry, Jayashri. People who are not sharers, I don't look at your question. Darsh, I'm not looking at people who are not. अमृता मित्रू को काफ़ी टाइम मिल गया. उसको टाइम मिला लेकिन उसका बेचारी का क्वेश्चन आंसर हुआ ही नहीं है. See, that's what I'm saying. It's not going. This is her question.
But you can't.
She's just Ruchi Chawla says this is her question in reply to Amrita. But I still can't see what her question is. So sad. It just feels like it's jinxed. Sameer Ali says, neither did I see her question a single time. Thank you, Sameer. I just thought कि आज मैं अंधी हो गई हूँ कि मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है. Sorry. And thank you, guys, for making me feel I'm not and judge myself that I'm blind. Okay. मैं अंधी नहीं हूँ. I promise. See what happened to Instagram. Instagram has got jinxed. Yes, Akshay, I agree with you. What's happening today? Comments are not visible. Maybe, I don't know, there's no Mercury retrograde. Now we are in Saturn retrograde, which is a crazy time. Okay, Amrita is asking about her success in strategic business. Let's see what her question is and what her answer is. Her success in strategic business. Cool. I'm going to do Amrita's reading finally because I just gave her my word that I would. So I will. It seems like you're really working very hard and you're not seeing the kind of success that you want to see. The first thing that I'm going to suggest, please get your name correction done. The second thing is to get the same amount of success in any other work, you would be, getting success like that. Like so quickly. Okay, now everyone's sending me her thing. I think there's a time delay with all the questions. The moment I say something, I see like later something. Sorry, remove this. So, it's going to take a long time, Amrita, for you to see success. It's just going to take forever. I'm going to suggest that you do something else, change your line of work or business, and I think you need to change the line of work that you're doing, Amrita. This is not for you. And I've told this to so many people when they come for a reading, like when I used to do readings. And sometimes they don't listen, and like a year later they kind of ask someone, they get a reading done from one of my tarot card readers, and they said the same thing after 1 year. And I hate to say I told you so. So please don't make me say I told you so, Amrita. Alright? This work is not for you. There are so many things that are so lucrative that can get you a ton of money, but this is really not working for you. This does not work for you. Thank you. Okay. Next question. Yogita wants to be a pilot. Shlok Sharma wants to be a pilot. Okay. 27/7/1997. Okay, Yogita. I'm going to read for Shlok. Shlok is, are you planning to send Shlok somewhere out of the country? His prospects are amazing with becoming a pilot. Amazing is not the word. He's going to make a ton of money and he's going to do very well for if he chooses this profession. He's going to do really well. Shlok is going to do amazingly well. I'm going to ask you to get his numerology name change done. Alright? Please do that. Like, it's so important. I can't begin to stress that it's so important to get a numerology correction done for anybody and everybody, be it a baby, be it a grown-up, be it like an elderly person, be it even if you're not working. It's so important to get a numerology name change done because it sets right your planets, and who knows, your planets could be influencing your kid, your kid's planets could be influencing you. Everyone's planets help and affect each other. So make sure that you get his name change done or his name correction done, because it's going to give him that extra, that extra high tide that he really needs. All right? And I'm going to go back on Instagram. Insta Live. Can you please put it? Thank you. Okay. And I feel like doing an element analysis. Can you get the other? Yeah. Can you get the computer, please? I'm going to do an element analysis now. अभी बहुत बोर हो गया tarot पढ़ के. Like, that's all I can actually handle of tarot from time to time. Okay, Shweta Bhatt says, I got the name correction done and it worked magic. Thank you so much, Shweta, for saying that, because it is so awesome that people share, you know, what they went through after a name correction. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And a special shout out to all the people. Yes, Hariom Mehta says aviation industry goes down after Corona. It will go down, but it will pick back up. If he's gonna study now, darling, his card said he'll do well, so he will do well. All right. Okay, so the next person that I'm gonna take is for an element chart. If you're a sharer, I'm likely to take your question, and I'm only going to tell you what your money element is. What element is going to bring you money? All right, this is a special analysis we do. Sorry?
Date of birth.
Yeah, I need your date of birth and time of birth. If you want to know your money element, what element brings you money, earth, fire, water, wood, metal, then we tell you that in your element reading. Actually, we do a very comprehensive report. It's something that we create. It's not something that, you know, we get from some kind of software. We make it ourselves. It's an analysis that you have to do yourself. Samir says magic starts in life once someone does a consult with you. Thank you, Samir. I have like I said, I have like my bouncers on this group. How cool is that? Okay, I'm gonna wait for someone who... Shalini Mankatala, you are a top fan, but you're not a sharer, darling. And you seem to be the only top fan here. And I've already done, I think, for you, for your husband. So I'm sorry, I can't do the same person over and over again, even if you're a top fan. I'm just gonna wait for the next person, Mamta Tripathi Mishra. Shian, can you analyze it? Shian's gonna do this one, guys. Okay, Mamta Tripathi Mishra is 27th of November 1980. I'm so lucky, yeah. I have my kid helping me in everything that I do. I train him and he helps me. Time of birth 2:51 a.m. I'm so lucky. I'm like super lucky mom.
Female.
Yes, female. Mamta Tripathi is female. Yes, so...
Self-element wood.
Okay, 1 second. Let me look at the chart.
Earth element, earth.
Okay, earth is your money element. So basically, earth will bring you lots of money and wealth. So if you want to make big money in business, you should invest in real estate, land. Awesome, awesome for you. F-E-M, water, wood. You have a very, very nice, well-balanced chart. Very well-balanced chart. And yeah. I'm also going to suggest that you wear black tourmaline as a crystal, as a bracelet to activate your money element. All right. And also the sectors in your house are connected to your elements. So your southwest sector is connected to your money element. So please keep a rose quartz crystal or a rose quartz ball, something like that in that sector. Very well balanced chart. Is her yang and yin element balanced? Balanced. So your elements, your yin and yang is also very well balanced. But if you want to make the best of your energy and you want to grow and you want to do really well, then I'm going to suggest that you wear a yang activator and you keep a dragon on your work table. A dragon on your work table will increase your yang. Dragon is very, very yang in nature. Phoenix is very yin in nature. Okay. Kavita says, yes, you are lucky and he's super lucky to have you as his mom. Such a cool mom you are. Cool mom. And until the time that I turn into Chandal, like until the time that I become like Chandal, and anyway have the green hair to deal with, to give it that look. Okay, Medha says, I want a well-balanced chart. How do I get it? Not everyone has a well-balanced chart. No one can give you a well-balanced chart. And Samir says, unlike mine, I had 3 missing elements. Yeah, that's really unfortunate. 3 missing elements. He had truckloads of money element in his chart, like 5 units of money element in his chart. which is so abnormal. Yeah, he had only 2 elements in his chart. Can you believe? Okay, Samir, so you have Shian on Telegram. Please resend your date of birth and time of birth to him. He can't believe it. He says it's not possible. 3 missing elements, he says it's not possible. Shian knows how to do the money element chart. So please ask him, send him your details now on Telegram, okay? Samir is admin on our Telegram 5D healing group. For people who are wondering what is 5D healing, it's 5th dimensional healing. We do this healing almost every alternate day. It's a very, very high form of healing. It's like, you know, in healing, you have different modalities, have a different kind of energy. It's the Mercedes of healing. It's the Mercedes of healing, or the Rolls Royce of healing. Actually, I don't know too much about cars, guys. So I think it's the Rolls Royce of healing. So 5D healing is a mass healing session or a group healing session. It can't be done one-to-one. So you need a minimum of 20 people to do the healing. And the energy is crazy. On full moon day, we had over 200 people in the healing session. And everyone was fried to chips. Everyone was literally like, oh, ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है. सब लोग पागल हो गए. Shalini says, I plan to visit the Temple of Miracles tomorrow. Wanted to inquire if I can light a black candle on my behalf of my husband as he's in Kerala. If I light a black candle on his behalf, will it have the same effect? Yes. Yes, Shalini. You can just carve his name on the candle and light it for him. Alright? Anyone can light a candle on anyone's behalf. In fact, we do something called a candle service every day. Alright? The candle service is a group candle service that we do for people, where we offer prayers and we offer the candle and we do certain processes in the Temple of Miracles for everyone every day. If you want to participate in that, there is a form that you fill out. We will post the link of that form. I'm going to ask Samir to do that. Samir, can you please post it here so that people can have a look at it? Anyone can participate. It's a temple that can, you know, people from all walks of life come to the Temple of Miracles. It's a magical place. We've had people who wanted to have a child and just came and lit a red candle, placed a prayer request, got pregnant. We've had people who were jobless, got a job. We've had people who, wanted to go abroad because they had some assignment, something, and then they applied for their, what's that called? H1B visa, and then they got it. We've had miracle stories in the Temple of Miracles, alright? I am not doing those miracles. It is Papa Elegua, the deity, the reigning deity in the Temple of Miracles, who does that. So it is the first Yoruba temple in India. So if any of you are in some kind of a tizzy in your life, alright, and you can't afford a reading, you can't afford any remedy, this is a non-profit. We have a trust, we have trustees, and all of the proceeds of whatever you put in goes towards the betterment of the temple. So there's a form called Cognito form, and there's a date, so there's a way that you can participate in the temple candle service. Okay, so the next person I'm taking for, I'm going to do a numerology analysis. Who wants a numerology analysis? Akira says, yes, it's a magical place. Thank you. It's my favorite place. In fact, we have a new idol of Papa Elegua, and we got a new idol made in Africa. I got this made in Africa, and we're getting another idol made, which is actually made and kept in Africa, so of Papa Elegua. Okay, so the next person that I'm doing this for is yeah, crazy chart, no, Samir? He's looking at your chart. 5. Okay, the next person I'm going to do numerology for. Please send me your date of birth now. I'm doing a date of birth and a name analysis. Send me your date of birth. Okay, but you're not a sharer, Alisha. I was just going to take yours, but you're not a sharer, Alisha. Please share this on all your groups, and then I can take your question. Okay, Kinshuk Bhala. I've sent my question 70 times, literally. Darling, send me your question. You sent this question that you've sent it 70 times, but I can't see your question. Shreya Mahesh, you want numerology? Call my office, darling, 9900120034. Hi, Lizelle from South Africa. So nice to have you on the live video. I keep getting people from different places. Now that I do these videos at odd times, I'm having people from different parts of the world. How cool is that? What is Temple of Miracles? It's the first Yoruba temple in India. Okay, the next person that I'm taking for name analysis is give me the thing, the laptop. No, I want the laptop. I don't want this. It's very difficult to do it in that. Okay, the next person that I'm gonna do name analysis for is going to be a sharer. Okay, the next person I'm doing numerology name analysis for is Rashmi Kanike. अभी मुझे नींद आ रहा है. I'm yawning on live stream, so shameless. Okay, Rashmi is number 9 and 3. Rashmi, it's not a bad number to be ruled under other than getting into some controversy. Your name doesn't work for you. It causes a lot of issues in friendships, relationships, and I don't know if you're very individualistic and you get a little bossy, but I see that you're having a lot of clashes and you're getting misunderstood with colleagues or something like that. Is there any misunderstanding that you're facing? And you're putting a lot of hard work, but you're not getting any kind of output. Is that something that you're facing, Rashmi Kanike? Yes, darling, I can see your date of birth. I think there's a time delay. Ask a question and I get it 3-5 minutes later. For all the sharers here, I think most of the groups, sorry, I'm too sleepy. All the groups may have blocked you. So I'm thinking that you probably need to join new groups to share this on. I'm guessing lots of people are not getting their sharer badge. Someone says boo. Boo. Nikita says, are you delivering to Mumbai? When couriers open up, we have orders stacked up like how? Like we have so many, we've never ever had such a pile up of orders of our products. We have never had such a pile up. We actually have run out of some products because people are panic buying even our products like BMR soap. So Rashmi, I do see that you're having some kind of issues with getting misunderstood, something with like getting blamed for something. ऐसा कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है. So yes, Rashmi says yes, finally. So please get a name correction, darling, because your name is very, very malefic, all right? And I'm going to suggest this ASAP. All right. The next person that I'm going to take is, what products for love and work do you suggest what to buy? Okay, Nikita. So my favorite product that I suggest everyone to get is BMR salt and BMR soap. BMR soap is like your essential, is like something you got to have and use every day. The other ones that I also like to recommend is, if you have a lot of obstacles, then road opener. For love, you have the Fire of Love spray. You have, if you've not found the person in your life, then you have the Soulmate spray. And Crown of Success is one of our fastest selling formulas, and so is Bend Over spray. Bend Over spray really works like magic. Like if you want to get an output at your workplace for someone to listen to you, Bend Over spray is it. It's amazing. Okay. For selling, you have actually a business client something, I don't know what it's called, client something, what is it called, client something. There's a there's a formula that we have to get more clients for business. To get more clients, there's actually a powder and an oil. We don't have a spray for that. I forget the actual name for it, but it's to get more clients. And Korea outside India, yes, we do, but I don't know if we have Korea outside India right now. Okay, madam suggests some startup ideas. I have contacts between USA and India. I want to start soon. I don't know, darling. I don't have an idea about, ideas on startups. Sorry. Okay, the next person that I'm going to take is going to be a sharer. Swati Kapoor. I'm going to take your name analysis. Swati Kapoor, where are you? Okay, 11/10/1977. Okay, you're a number 2 and 9. 2 and 9 is just one of those crazy numbers. And as a number 2, you go through a lot of ups and downs and a lot of emotional tizzies. Swati, can you resonate with that? And as a number 9, I don't know if you're getting into some kind of conflict. I'm going to check your name and see if your name works for you. Sorry, Swati, your name is causing more toxicity than your date of birth. Your date of birth is still manageable. It still gets you some kitch here and there. Yes, Samir said client attraction powder. मैं नाम भूल गई. I was like, it's more clients, more business. पता नहीं क्या था client attraction powder. Thank you, Samir. I think my tribe knows more about the names of my products than I do. Swati Kapoor, your name is more toxic than your date of birth. And you're attracting a lot of wrong people in your life, and you're attracting wrong experiences in your life, and it just seems like you're struggling, like you're just attracting all the rubbish instead of all the good stuff. All right, and a name correction is again very, very necessary. I would call you an ICU case, not because of your date of birth but because of your name. Please do a name correction immediately. All right. And for all the people here, who are number 4, 8 and 7, you don't need a name analysis to begin with. If you're a number 4, a number 8, a number 7, a number 2 or a number 9, just get a name correction. If you don't need a name correction and you've signed up for one, and I'm looking at your report, I'm working on your report and you don't need it, we don't simply do a name correction for you. We refund you, we deduct a name analysis fee, and we refund you the rest of the amount back. I did one today. I had a name correction report and I said, oh, you know what? This person doesn't need a correction. So it happens all the time. People end up signing up for a name correction not knowing whether they need a correction or not. Because if you opt for an analysis and you pay an analysis fee, then you get a correction, then it's an additional amount. So if you straight off, ask for a name correction and you don't need it, we just deduct a certain amount and we give you a refund. All right, we don't do a name correction if it's not required. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. So, if you need a correction, you need a correction. It's all in the numbers. If you don't need a correction, we don't simply do it for you. Because trust me, I've seen a lot of numerologists in the past who just messed with someone's name just because they felt like it. They didn't need a correction. And my hair is doing this nice thing. And I'm feeling this whole Reshmi Zulfe wala feeling. And I'm just going on doing that in the video and just feeling better about my hair. Okay, so I'm not going to do any more readings now. I'm done for today, guys. People who asked me questions about relationships, this is my book, The Love Mirage. All right, for people who have never read my book, read my book, The Love Mirage. It's this thick, that's all. And it's a book that has a lot of concepts. It's like this. Okay, it's a self-published book. I published this book myself. And I didn't go to any publisher because I don't have the time to do all that. And it's available on Amazon. And anyone who's in a relationship mess or who's married or a teenager, if you have kids who will confuse hormones from love, make them read this. If you're in a toxic relationship, read this. If you're in a bad marriage, read it. This book is like This book is like, you know, a Bible for people who end up in messy relationships. I had a couple many years back. When you say babe correction, is it just first name or last name as well? Okay, I don't know what you mean by babe correction. Name correction. I'm assuming that's a typo. So name correction. Sometimes, okay, I'm gonna reiterate this, and I think I should ask Samir to clip this part of the video because it's so important. Okay, people ask me, when you do a name correction, is my first name gonna change? People say I can't have my last name change. Now, name corrections are slightly tricky, all right? Sometimes we correct your first name. After that, we add your last name, and then the whole thing becomes khichdi and biryani. Sometimes I need to mess with your first name and your last name, and sometimes I need to add a random initial. Like the M in my name is completely random. There is no M in my family, but then I realized my grandfather was Mohan Lal Bajaj, so I just said, okay, it's his name. But actually there's no M, but I added the M to just find the vibration that I wanted in my name. So, you know, a name correction, I will correct your first name sometimes, and I sometimes will correct your last name as well, and sometimes I'll give you a borrowed initial from somewhere. We ask you your father, mother, sister, husband, sabka naam, so that we can try and plug in an initial that works for you to balance it out. But sometimes we just have to give you something random, guys. So a name correction, the intention of a name correction is to balance your name and give it a powerful vibration. Now, I can't give you a name, like for example, I didn't want to change the spelling of Bajaj. My name needed Bajaj to be changed after I corrected Sheila when I had to balance it out. But I can't change Bajaj because Bajaj is already like a known surname, not abroad but in India. So I added a random initial. So if you have a last name that you absolutely can't change, then you'll need to be okay with a random initial. And I tell people, you don't need to make this change in official documents. All right? You don't need to make it in official documents. We teach you how to activate your name for 108 days, and we tell you how to activate it on social media. That's enough. I've done it myself. It works. Okay? So people are going to ask you questions, but then again, there are movie stars who did name corrections. Irfan Khan did a name correction. Ajay Devgan's done a name correction. Kiran Kher has Kiran Kher in her name. Lots of people get name corrections. You know, nowadays after a movie is done, look at all the subtitles. How many people have name corrections? So many people from the film industry have name corrections. Movie names are corrected according to numerology. So don't be ashamed. You know, who knows? You may be making your 100 crore movie after this. Okay. So I think I'm done for today. And for people who, okay, Janki says Love Mirage is like a book that will mark like a turning point to you, your perspectives and the way you behave. The way you behave in a relationship. It's a book I read when I was in a relationship, and then again when I'm single, then I might be going back to it at every walk. Sometimes to guide others and sometimes to gain sanity. Loads of love. Thank you, Janki. Thank you. This book can really give you perspective, and sometimes a very different perspective every time you read it. Okay? And I have to say, this is something I really love saying. I have to say this. The foreword of this book is written by my dear friend Vikram Sampath. Alright, who's a historian and is a best-selling author. He's read this book, he read it twice, and he loved the book, and he said it's amazing. So he wrote the foreword of the book. So I'm gonna ask all you guys to read the book. If you have relationship problems, before you go for any kind of counseling or coaching or anything else, just pick up the book, read it, and after that, if you still think that you're very confused, send me your question and I'll be happy to do a podcast on that subject. Alright? I really would love to get topics to do podcasts on. So if there's something that you're grappling with, I know I'm still due to do the rejection one, but if you have topics that you want to give me, I'll be happy to take suggestions. And for all the people who want to get a consult done, yes, Janki says pick a random page and read one line from it. So this is something that you do with any book. Whenever you want divine guidance, when you're very, very confused about something, you just pray, you call upon your guardian angels, alright, and you ask them to guide you and tell you exactly what you need to hear. And you just kind of flip the book many times like that. Alright? and then you just pick one page and it'll tell you. Like mine is talking about twin souls and a toxic relationship. Okay, the chapter that I chanced upon is toxic relationships. So, and the next page is bad boy syndrome, twin souls. Yeah. So I picked out page number 37. So when we're lonely, a part of us is missing, a state of void. We can never meet the right partner in the state. Blah blah blah. So I'm not looking for my twin soul, but ask for guidance, all right, and just open the book, and it'll give you what you need to hear. And for any one of you who are in a relationship, in a toxic relationship, or pushing the person away from your life repeatedly, read the book. And I'm going to reiterate again and again and again, for anyone who's going through a repeat pattern in your life, please get a numerology name correction done. Very important. And if you want guidance, if you want guidance, if you're stuck on crossroads, you don't know what to do, get a tarot card reading from Ekta, Janki or Riya. Alright? Janki is here on this live stream. I don't know if Ekta is still here. She must have fallen asleep. She must be snoring. But Janki is still here. Guys, you can connect with her. She's sending messages repeatedly. She's sending all the hearts. So you can connect with her. She's awesome. I've personally got my cards read from all three of them at different occasions. And recently, I got my cards read with Janki. It was, and with Ekta actually. And it was unbelievable. It was unbelievable. Like, she brought so much clarity to something that is so... that was so stuck in my head. And so unbiased, huh? So unbiased. Her guidance was the opposite of what she would have emotionally wanted, being a friend of mine as well. So, I'm gonna... see, my throat's giving up. Can't talk anymore. So, contact the office, guys. Tarot.sheila.com is where you can book a tarot appointment. Okay, tarot.sheila.com. Or you can call 98455 for a tarot appointment. Lots of people saying I love you, love you, love you. I love you too, guys. And if you want numerology, 9900120034. And if you want my book, if you want the physical copy of my book, it's only available at my office. So you'll have to get it donezoed from my office or a courier. Otherwise, you can buy it on Amazon Kindle. Alright? But nothing like having a copy. And if any of you want a copy of the book in the next 1 week, I promise to sign it and send it to you. Alright? I will definitely sign and send a message, a personal message to you. Yes, Kanika, you can get a reading done from Janki. Everyone, get a reading done from Janki, tarot.sheila.com. And just know that we're going to have a battalion of tarot card readers very soon. Which book? This is The Love Mirage. It's a book written by me. By me. Yes, this is my first book and my only book that I've ever written. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Good night. I'm going to go sleep. And if any of you have any suggestions on topics, I have some bakwas messages here, which I'm just going to block. Hold on. Thank God. I had people sending me weird stuff just right now. Scandalize me before I leave. Okay. So guys, you can contact the office if you want the book. It's a physical copy only available from our office. Alright? And if you want to call the office for name correction, please go ahead and call. And and for other people who just want their life to change, you're looking at that one resource that will change your life, please go and listen to my podcasts. Go and listen to it tonight. Start listening to it tonight from the first episode. And I promise you, you won't regret it. Alright, and once you listen to it, please leave a review there. Please, please, please leave a review. I love you all. Yes, bye. Good night, guys. I love you. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. You look like someone in my family. I'm so tripping on all these messages. Like, this is so cool, yeah. People are sending me, people are still sending me messages. I'm just loving looking at the messages. I've ordered the book, but I couldn't get it. Maybe tomorrow I will. Okay. Yes, it's my longest live ever. Yes, Amir, it's my longest live ever. And for people who want to get in touch with me for a consult with me, I'm gonna say that I don't do tarot anymore. Okay, wait. I don't do tarot anymore. So you can call my office, you can get a consult with me. But I always suggest that, okay, podcast is not something you read. Podcast is not something you read, it's something you listen to. Greta says Ekta is great, so good. Yes, Ekta is awesome. Ekta is amazing. Ekta and Janki and Ria are all three amazing tarot card readers. You even talk like her. Okay, I don't know if I talk like her. I think she talks like me. She's gonna see this tomorrow and she's gonna say, "Be तूने ऐसे क्यों बोला?" So yes, I do teach tarot. In fact, we are having a class coming up soon, a master class in tarot. This is not a time pass class. It's for serious tarot people who are interested. So if you're interested, you can join the Telegram group. I'm gonna post it again on the comments. All right. Now, good night for you all. Instagram is anyway gone. Good night, Facebook friends. Bye bye.